Well, we all know this, no surprise here, the Austin housing market is hot, and having a home is a great thing to have in your financial portfolio, but it could be a pretty big expense. So we decided to bring in an expert to help us out. It's Monica Munoz-Andri, who's Financial Health Program Manager with UFCU. Good morning, Monica.
Great to be here.
Lovely to have you. Let's talk about preparing to buy that house for the first time. What should we be considering when we're thinking about buying?
You know, 70% of Americans consider buying a home part of the American dream, and it's such an important decision. And there's costs associated that are beyond just the monthly mortgage payment. Some of the upfront costs could be a down payment, depending on the lending program. It could be anywhere between 0 to 20%. Another cost could be closing costs, which could be 2 to 5%, depending on the value of the home. Some of the ongoing costs could be maintenance and repairs. It could be utilities and also homeowner association fee or condo fees. The key thing to do is look up a mortgage calculator so that you can actually do the math and get a feel for what it's really going to cost and what you should prepare for.
I agree with you. When I hear the American dream, I do also think about home ownership. It's a huge thing. However, there are some financial considerations that we should be making when we are preparing to buy a home, in addition to what you just mentioned.
For many people, the obstacles to buying a home are low credit scores and paying off your existing debt. One of the first key steps is to take a look at your credit. Pull your credit report through annualcreditreport.com to check it for errors, or feel free to schedule a consultation with UFCU. We do free credit reviews where we'll help you assess where you are, make sure that you're on the right footing. The key thing to consider is that you don't want to increase debt, and you want to make sure that you make your payments on time. Other things to consider is it's a good time to revisit your spending and your budget. So when paying down your debt, you're working on what we call the debt to income ratio, which lenders refer to as your total monthly debts divided by your gross or your pre-tax income. You want that number to be low. You also want to make sure that when you're paying down your debt, you're focusing on your credit cards. Those are the big item there. And as you're working down your debt, you're able to save on your down payment, and you're also able to save for those extra expenses that you have with appliances and furniture that you usually forget about.
Monica, I know that to be the case because the moment I moved into my house, I had to buy a fridge and a washer and a dryer, and I was not prepared. So it's so important to talk to professionals like you guys. How else will home buying impact our monthly expenses?
Buying a home may change some of your monthly expenses, especially in the areas of your actual monthly mortgage payment. I know we just talked about maintenance and repairs, but there's also property taxes associated with it, and those usually change on a yearly basis, so something to consider. The other thing would be your transportation costs. Depending on the change in your commute, you could have more gas, more toll fees, and maintenance costs. Also, home insurance is a little different compared to renter's insurance, as well as utilities, depending on the space that you're going to be in and the changes in that. And so when thinking about these costs, you really just want to be aware so that way you can prepare appropriately for all things that come with home ownership.
It does feel good, but you certainly need to be prepared. And to that point, how can we get a financial professional to help us along with this process? You guys offer help at UFCU, right?
We do. That's a great question. Having a financial professional can help you set an adequate housing budget. They can also help you understand what other programs there are out there that might help you with down payment assistance or qualifying for the loan, even if you don't have great credit. And let's face it, mortgages can be complicated and scary sometimes, and it always helps somebody who can help you understand all the loan terms and estimates. The key thing when buying a home is really to reflect on your current situation and think about, why are you buying a home? What is your current situation, your budget, your needs, your lifestyle? Considering all these things may help you find the right time to buy a home. As the #1 mortgage lender in Central Texas, UFCU is happy to help you achieve your home ownership dreams.
Being #1 means you guys have seen everything, right? So that's how we know that you guys are the experts, and we appreciate you bringing your expertise this morning. Monica, thank you so much.
It's good to be here.
For more information like this and on other finance-related topics, visit ufcu.org/KXAN.